Why do people experience loss in the markets? Is there an elusive entity controlling the markets? Many people believe in myths about the market that simply aren't true. And that's probably why you're here, watching our video. Without further ado, let's dive into how you can navigate your journey through the financial markets, minimize risk, and understand 5 key tips to avoid losing money. But first things first, don't blame yourself. Trading in the markets is not an easy task. The market operates like a zero-sum game. For there to be winners, there must be losers. For every decision you make in the market, someone is on the opposing side. When you're buying, someone else is selling. The 90-90-90 rule is a well-known fact among traders. 90% of beginner traders lose 90% of their account in less than 90 days. So, let's consider some tips to prevent falling into such pitfalls. Treat it as a hobby at first, starting with demo accounts. This is known as paper trading. You can open a free demo account and put your master plan to the test without risking real money. Paper trading lets you practice and apply numerous theories, many of which, trust us, won't hold up in reality. Practice makes perfect. This holds true no matter what you're doing. On this channel, we cover topics across all markets, but you must start with the basics. It takes time to understand and find the most suitable market for you. Trading is a highly competitive field. Think of it like a sport where you're up against seasoned pros. Be wary of gurus and those selling dubious get-rich-quick schemes. Always ask for proven trading history. Aim for a single account that has been tested for several months, ideally a year, or a system with at least 100 trades. Most paid classes and courses offer generic information, which you can find on the web for free. The truth is out there. Develop a solid trading plan with rules. The market is indifferent to individual desires, and as beginners, you must accept that the market is unpredictable. You need to start building a solid trading plan with clear entry and exit rules. Proper money and risk management are essential. Maintain realistic expectations. There's no holy grail in trading. No system can guarantee results, and even earning 1% per day is unrealistic. Think about it. If a simple 1,000 USD account could make 1% a day, it would reach $1 million after 2 years of trading, 695 trading days. With a few more years, you'd have quadrillions to keep your alpine chalet warm during those cold nights. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Most beginners lose money in the market due to a lack of discipline, revenge trades, and emotional roller coasters. Remember what we've said? Trading carries high risk, but with risk comes potential reward. Now that we've shared our top 5 tips to avoid losses, we'd love to hear from you. Have you made any trading mistakes you'd like to share? Let's create a community where we can learn from each other. Please leave a comment below. Your experience could be invaluable to someone else. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. We're here to help you navigate the financial markets. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest insights and tips. Here at Financial Paradox, we believe that together, we can unravel the mysteries of trading. See you in our next video.